The Aquatic Escapades of Ethan and Eleanor. Chapter 4. Embracing unexpected adventures, rescuing fellow mariners, lending a helping hand in times of need. In the vast expanse of the open sea, where towering waves danced and the horizon stretched endlessly, Ethan and Eleanor encountered a defining moment that tested their mettle and reinforced their unwavering commitment to humanity. During a treacherous voyage, their keen eye spotted a distant vessel in distress, its sails tattered and its hull battered by the relentless onslaught of a furious storm. Without hesitation, they steered Regina Maris towards the stricken ship, their hearts pounding with a mixture of trepidation and resolve. As they drew closer, the desperate cries for help from the beleaguered mariners pierced the air, amplifying the urgency of their mission. Ethan skillfully maneuvered Regina Maris alongside the listing vessel, while Eleanor sprang into action, coordinating the rescue efforts with practiced precision. With deft hands, they secured ropes and lowered lifeboats, providing a lifeline of hope to the terrified souls aboard the sinking ship. One by one, they pulled the shipwrecked sailors to safety, their faces etched with gratitude and relief as they stepped onto the deck of Regina Maris. The rescued mariners, hailing from diverse backgrounds and speaking different tongues, united in their shared experience of peril and their profound appreciation for their saviors. As they sailed away from the scene of the rescue, Ethan and Eleanor couldn't help but feel a deep sense of fulfillment. They had not only saved lives, but they had also forged unbreakable bonds with fellow seafarers, transcending differences and reinforcing the universal language of human compassion. The act of rescuing fellow mariners became a recurring theme throughout their extraordinary journey. Time and again, they encountered vessels in distress, and each time they extended a helping hand without hesitation. Their selfless actions earned them a reputation as beacons of hope and beacons of hope and beacons of hope in the vast and unforgiving ocean. Their unwavering dedication to aiding those in need extended beyond their immediate circle. They actively participated in search and rescue operations, collaborating with coast guards and other maritime authorities to locate and assist vessels in distress. Their expertise and willingness to lend a helping hand made them invaluable assets in the safeguarding of lives at sea. Through their selfless acts of kindness, Ethan and Eleanor embodied the true spirit of seafaring camaraderie, demonstrating that even in the most perilous of circumstances, the bonds of humanity can prevail, uniting mariners from all corners of the globe in a shared purpose of mutual support and assistance. Chapter 4. Embracing unexpected adventures, battling ferocious pirates, facing dangers on the high seas. Ethan and Eleanor's voyage was not without its share of perils. As they traversed the vast expanse of the ocean, they encountered a formidable foe that tested their courage and resolve, ferocious pirates roaming the high seas. One fateful day, as Regina Maris glided through calm waters, the lookout spotted a sinister ship on the horizon. Its black sails billowed in the wind, and the Jolly Roger fluttered menacingly from its masthead. The crew's hearts pounded in their chests as they realized they were about to be attacked by ruthless buccaneers. The pirate ship bore down on them swiftly, its cannons bristling with anticipation. Ethan and Eleanor knew they had to act quickly. They sprang into action, preparing for a fierce battle. The crew scrambled to man the cannons, while Ethan took the helm, maneuvering Regina Maris with skill and precision. The pirates opened fire, their cannonballs tearing through the air with a deafening roar. Splinters flew as the shots peppered Regina Maris's hull, but Ethan and his crew remained undeterred. They returned fire, their own cannons booming in defiance. The battle raged on, the two ships locked in a deadly dance of destruction. The pirates attempted to board Regina Maris, but the crew fought them off valiantly. Ethan and Eleanor led the charge, wielding swords and muskets, their determination unwavering. Amidst the chaos, Ethan noticed a cunning plan unfolding. A group of pirates had managed to sneak onto Regina Maris, intent on capturing the ship from within. With lightning reflexes, he sprang into action, engaging the pirates in a fierce hand-to-hand combat. The battle reached its climax as Ethan faced the pirate captain in a duel that would determine the fate of Regina Maris. The two men fought with ferocity, their blades clashing in a deadly ballet. In a daring move, Ethan disarmed the pirate captain, forcing him to surrender. With their leader defeated, the remaining pirates faltered and fled, their ship disappearing over the horizon. The crew of Regina Maris erupted in cheers, their hearts filled with relief and exhilaration. They had triumphed over adversity, proving their mettle in the face of danger. The battle had left Regina Maris battered and bruised, but her spirit remained unbroken. Ethan and his crew set about repairing the damage, their bond strengthened by the ordeal they had faced together. They continued their voyage, forever grateful for the victory they had won against the ferocious pirates of the high seas. Chapter 4. Embracing unexpected adventures, uncovering ancient artifacts, discovering lost treasures of the past. In the realm of seafaring, Ethan and Eleanor's voyage was not merely a journey across the vast expanse of water. It was an odyssey through the annals of time, an exploration of the hidden depths of history waiting to be unveiled. As they navigated uncharted waters, destiny guided them towards ancient artifacts, relics of forgotten civilizations and bygone eras. In a secluded cove, they stumbled upon a submerged shipwreck, its hull encrusted with centuries of marine growth. With careful precision, they dove beneath the waves, their hearts pounding with anticipation. Among the scattered remains of the vessel, they discovered a treasure trove of artifacts, gold coins minted in an age-long past, intricately carved jewelry adorned with precious gems, and ceramic shards painted with vivid tales of ancient mariners. Their quest for lost treasures took them to remote islands shrouded in myth and legend. In the depths of a forgotten temple, they deciphered cryptic inscriptions etched into stone tablets, revealing the existence of a hidden chamber. Within its confines, they unearthed an exquisite golden statue, its surface shimmering with an otherworldly aura, a testament to the artistry and craftsmanship of a vanished people. Guided by old seafaring tales, they ventured into uncharted waters, their eyes scanning the horizon for any sign of the fabled mermaid's grotto. Legends spoke of a hidden cavern beneath the waves, adorned with shimmering pearls and encrusted with precious jewels. After days of relentless searching, their perseverance was rewarded when they discovered the entrance to the grotto, its opening concealed by a veil of cascading water. With each artifact they brought to light, Ethan and Eleanor felt a profound connection to the past. They were not mere treasure hunters, they were custodians of history, entrusted with the responsibility of preserving and sharing these relics with the world. Their discoveries ignited a passion for archaeology and a deep appreciation for the rich tapestry of human civilization. Their unexpected encounters with ancient artifacts were not just about material wealth. They were about unearthing the stories of those who came before them. Each artifact whispered tales of love, loss, triumph, and tragedy, offering glimpses into the lives of people long gone. Through these relics, Ethan and Eleanor gained a deeper understanding of the interconnectedness of humanity across time and space. Chapter 4. Embracing unexpected adventures, participating in sailing competitions. showcasing Regina Maris's prowess. In the vibrant tapestry of their voyage, Ethan and Eleanor sought opportunities to showcase Regina Maris's prowess and competitive spirit. From local regattas to international sailing competitions, they eagerly took part, relishing the thrill of friendly rivalry and the chance to test their skills against fellow seafarers. Their first foray into competitive sailing occurred during a stopover at a picturesque coastal town. Ethan and Eleanor stumbled upon a local sailing club hosting a friendly regatta, open to all seaworthy vessels. With a motley crew assembled from their fellow travelers and some local volunteers, they embarked on their maiden race. Despite their initial lack of experience, their enthusiasm and unwavering determination propelled them forward. As the starting gun fired, Regina Maris surged ahead, her sails billowing in the wind, slicing through the waves with grace and agility. The race course took them through a series of challenging maneuvers, testing their teamwork, navigation skills, and ability to adapt to changing wind conditions. Throughout the race, Regina Maris held her own against more seasoned competitors. They skillfully navigated through narrow channels, rounded buoys with precision, and crossed the finish line with a sense of accomplishment and newfound confidence. Their participation in the regatta not only earned them a respectable placing, but also forged bonds with fellow sailors and ignited a passion for competitive sailing. Encouraged by their success, Ethan and Eleanor sought out larger and more prestigious sailing competitions. They meticulously prepared Regina Maris, ensuring that her rigging was taut, her hull was gleaming, and her sails were in perfect condition. They studied weather patterns, analyzed nautical charts, and consulted with experienced sailors to gain every possible advantage. As they ventured into international waters, they encountered formidable opponents, seasoned skippers who had dedicated their lives to the sport. Yet, Ethan and Eleanor remained undeterred. They sailed with unwavering determination, pushing Regina Maris to her limits and consistently delivering impressive performances. In one particularly grueling race, they faced treacherous weather conditions and fierce competition. The wind howled like a banshee, whipping up monstrous waves that threatened to engulf their vessel. Yet, they persevered, their bodies drenched in salt water, their faces etched with determination. They skillfully maneuvered through the storm, relying on their instincts and their unwavering trust in one another. As they crossed the finish line, battered but unbowed, they were greeted with thunderous applause from spectators and fellow competitors alike. Their tenacity and unwavering spirit had earned them not only a hard-fought victory, but also the respect and admiration of the sailing community. Through their participation in sailing competitions, Ethan and Eleanor showcased the exceptional capabilities of Regina Maris and their own unwavering passion for the sport. They brought honor to themselves, their vessel, and the spirit of seafaring camaraderie that binds sailors together across oceans and cultures. Chapter 4. Embracing unexpected adventures, experiencing cultural festivals, immersing in the rhythms of local traditions. As Ethan and Eleanor navigated the azure expanse, their journey took them to vibrant coastal communities steeped in ancient traditions and pulsating with the energy of local festivities. These festivals were not mere spectacles. They were living tapestries woven from the threads of history, culture, and the indomitable spirit of the human experience. In sun-kissed harbors, they stumbled upon lively gatherings where the air was perfumed with the scent of exotic spices and the infectious rhythm of traditional music filled the streets. They donned colorful garments, blending seamlessly with the locals as they immersed themselves in the joyous celebrations. One such festival, held on a crescent-shaped beach, captivated their senses. The sand beneath their feet was soft and warm, the gentle waves lapping at the shore like a soothing lullaby. The air was alive with the sweet melody of string instruments and the tantalizing aroma of grilled seafood wafted through the air. They joined hands with the locals, forming a circle of unity as they swayed to the rhythm of the music. In another coastal town, they chanced upon a festival honoring the patron saint of fishermen. The streets were adorned with colorful bunting, and the harbor was abuzz with activity as boats returned with their bountiful catch. Ethan and Eleanor marveled at the intricate designs painted on the hulls of the fishing vessels, each boat a testament to the artistry and devotion of its owner. They witnessed the solemn procession of the saint's statue through the town, the locals paying homage to their protector with prayers and offerings. The air was thick with the scent of incense, and the sound of chanting filled the streets, creating an atmosphere of reverence and awe. These cultural festivals were more than just displays of tradition. They were windows into the souls of the communities they visited. Through these celebrations, Ethan and Eleanor gained a deeper understanding of the diverse cultures that adorned the coastline, each with its own unique story to tell. As they continued their journey, they carried with them the memories of these vibrant festivals, the sights, sounds, and flavors etched indelibly in their minds. These experiences enriched their understanding of the world and deepened their appreciation for the kaleidoscope of human traditions. This video was created from an ebook on sale at www.pagebook24.com using a self-developed program by Pasquale DeMarco. Download the ebook now.